This is our SST series, which stands for Super Stiff Team. So it's in our competition line. It has short head tubes, it has upright geometry or race geometry, short chainstays, short wheelbase. So it's a true competition road bike that you would race on. Now, some of the defining features of the SST, it has, of course, an Aero C tube, and there's some Aero shaping in the tube. So it's really, at this point, our Aero road offering. So you could go faster against the wind. It has some aerodynamic characteristics to it, but what really sets this frame apart are some of the patented technologies that our carbon manufacturer have, which is the rib technology in the fork that makes it laterally stiffer, so it has very good steering precision. And it has a stiffening rib in the down tube that gives it excellent power transfer, so the bottom bracket doesn't really move or flex really much at all. So it has excellent power transfer. It's a great sprinter bike. It's a great crit bike. It has a shorter head tube than the Altamira in general, so it puts you in a little bit more aggressive position than the Altamira, but it's a good all-around bike. As far as the rear triangle, you have ETC chainstays, which is energy transfer chainstay. It has an asymmetrical chainstay on the left-hand side that's larger, so it reduces flex. You have seat stays that aren't quite as thin as the Altamira, so that lends a little bit to the stiffness of the rear triangle and the stiffness of the frame. Also, that's something that's new this year that's emerging in the industry is 52-36 chain rings, which is kind of a mid-compact chain ring configuration. So really it's the best of both worlds. This bike also is the 2.1, and this also has the new Ultegra this year, which goes from 10 speed to 11 speed, and it takes a lot of the styling cues and performance features that the top-level Dura-Ace bike has. This bike would be ridden by a Pro Tour athlete, but it is built for a bigger, more powerful rider. It's one of the best race bikes in the industry.